Do you think that like because we live in Wolcott, which is a little bit on the outskirts, one of the things that I love is that we have, you said, all the access to nature. It's very easy, it's very quiet here, but it's really easy access to go eat at amazing restaurants, to go to world-class spas. Like Vale, Beaver Creek, they have events like almost every weekend now. And so you get like that nice balance of like, if you do need a chill day, recharge day, go out into nature, like you can find trails any day of the week that have no one on them. But you can also go check out, there's going to be live music here, or there's an opera here, or there's a run club that you can be a part of. So you can kind of ebb and flow with like how much community and adjust it to what you're feeling, what your hobbies are. I will say that, like, I feel like you said, the sports is a really big emphasis here. One of the things that I've noticed, like moving back, is there is more art access. So even for like our younger cousins and stuff, like the dance programs are super prolific now. Excuse me. There's just more, I don't know, kind of like the artsy scene, like even see like we have a community college here and they have painting, photography, and I don't know if that's just kind of the trend with nationwide, but I feel like that's really grown compared to when we were growing up.